Welcome back, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get on to our other projects we have going on in the shop right now. One being, you can see right there. So that's gonna be that head gasket job. Remember, we sent off the heads on Monday to get them decked, hot tanked, and checked. Those are actually back, and we got all our gaskets in and everything for that to go back together. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting the short block cleaned up and get it ready to put these heads back on it. So here's our heads after we got them back from the machine shop. They are decked, hot tanked, and they vacuum checked them to make sure everything's all good to go. As you can see here, nice clean surface to work with. This car was overheated, so that is a big deal. If you are doing this at home, make sure you have a straight edge to check and make sure the heads are flat. So just a little tip there for you guys. So let's go ahead and get this short block over here. You can see it's pretty dirty where that gasket goes. So we're gonna go ahead and get that cleaned up and get those heads back up on this block and get into a long block. As you can see, we got our gaskets all laid out. We do use OEM head gaskets for the most part here, especially on anything really 500 wheel or less. But we got them all laid out here. We got that block cleaned up. So we're gonna go ahead and get that head gasket on there and get that head back on. As you guys saw, we got those heads back on that short block now. So now it's back into a long block. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the turbo kit back on it. So that includes the exhaust manifold, the turbo, and we're gonna put the intake manifold on. We are still waiting for the water pump and timing belt kit to come in tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and do as much as we can, and then we'll have to wrap up for today. And there we have it, guys. We have a complete long block for the most part, about ready to go in here, sorry. So we're just waiting on that water pump and timing belt kit to come in tomorrow. And once that comes in, we can go ahead and jump back on this and it'll be ready to drop in the car. But we're gonna go ahead and end out this video right here. Just wanna thank you, all of you guys, for all your support and for you guys watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and have a good night.